So now let's jump into the importance of privacy. Let's jump into the privacy space. So fundamentally, privacy shouldn't even be a question. We shouldn't be having to be like, if a coin, for example, some coins have an option to be private or non-private. And we're fighting for privacy. Yet it shouldn't even be a question. Everything should be private. As I've already said, up until 1970, cash transactions happened and they were private. We had our financial freedom. We all think we're free, but it's when we step out of line. If someone slightly steps out of line because someone says that that is good or that is bad, someone up there gets to tell us what is right, what is wrong. So if we step out of line and we go into what is wrong, which actually might be in our world right, for example, then we get reprimanded, we get in trouble. Things happen, and then we quickly realize that actually we're not free. So privacy coins should and are becoming very, very popular. Even the big ones, for example, Bitcoin. Bitcoin's currently looking to move onto the Lightning Network. The Lightning Network actually has potential for privacy. Litecoin is on the Lightning Network, and we're going to be going into actually what the Lightning Network offers in terms of privacy. Bitcoin Cash recently in the last month has implemented a protocol which heavily focuses on privacy. Dash, as you know, is a big one already that is very private. But then there's these other small ones that put a lot more focus on privacy. So in this course, we're going to be weighing the pros and the cons and actually which ones are going to have huge increases in 2018 and beyond. Privacy is also extremely important for companies. And companies, as we know, have a lot of power because they generate a lot of money. So if I have a company, a big company, do I want to be using Bitcoin currently, for example, if everyone can see how much money I've got, who I'm paying, it's just open books for all my competitors? Probably not. And I think that's fine because it's a competition. Business is competition, which spurs each and every business on to grow, develop, expand, enhance themselves to offer something better. So they're fighting for clients, for customers. So privacy is very important in that regard. Also banks really want privacy. And as we know, banks have huge influence. So if businesses want privacy, if people want privacy, if even banks themselves want privacy, do you think privacy coins are going to start getting a huge increase around this time? That's my thinking. And in the recent months, I'm seeing that come to fruition. So that's why I'm getting this course out there as soon as possible, because I believe I've found some diamonds in the privacy coin space that will give you and me huge gains, huge returns, and it will just be beneficial holding these coins because I'm interested in my financial freedom, and I'm sure you are too.